26th of May, expiry day, and I hope all of you have done well. We have done quite well. And what I'll do in this session is I'll show you one trade that we have taken. So it's going to be a live trade that you're going to watch. So here, this is what we have done, 80,000 profit. We have done a lot of scalping and the capital is around 2 lakh. So with that, we made a lot of scalping also because market was showing as if bullish and then they came down. So we have to do the adjustments and all those were there. So considering all that and considering these number of trades that you have taken, look at these number of strike prices we have traded. And out of this, one thing that you can observe is this profit, 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 small loss, small loss, small loss, profit, profit, small loss, small profit, right? So there is no big loss. And that is how you accumulated this much. You have taken a lot of trades. Now, what I'm going to show you is I've taken a beautiful trade. That is this one. After this down move, we waited for 20 EMA trade and we got an entry at 130 and we trailed till this level. And on the put side, from 130, 199, which is almost 70-point trade we got. So in this video, watch the live trade of the same that we have taken along with the mentoring participants. And after that, if you would like to join the live market mentoring session, this is how we trade. This is how I teach because I'm a practical person, so I teach also in the market practically the way I trade, and with that example only I'll be teaching. So if you are interested, you can get in touch with my team and you can join there. See you. It's coming close to that. Just try this a small quantity at 132. 20 EMA, if it reject, it will be good. 20-point stop loss. Not 20 point. If break 20 EMA, will exit. Wow. Look at that. 153. I reduce some. अरे यार, got stuck. I reduce. अरे यार. Cheh. Yeah, got stuck. 153. See, 133. What a drama. I reduced half anyway. Got a beautiful dip now from 20 EMA. Now it may bounce also. Cheh. So the range that we are looking for is the same. This 24,100 as we discussed, right? It's not a surprise if it goes to 24,100 and get rejected, and 24,000 minus 100 also. So most probably, see this high they made, they did not break 100 on the upside. So they played it very smart. And this fall is looking severe because it is coming from that high. They have taken it to higher. They have shown it as bullish and then started coming down. But if this dip you are getting from here, that was not a big deal, right? It could have easily came to 200 EMA. Even now also, it comes to 200 EMA. It's not a big deal because we are actually looking for even close to 900 also. Only if it goes below 900, then it is going to be slightly difficult. So I hope you got it right. That is why I'm not much concerned about my selling position. 24,200 is fine. 23,900 is also perfectly fine. So this one, we tried a small scalping trade. Since it's Bank Nifty expiry, we'll look at some scalping opportunity. Once we got this bounce at 20 MA, I just got this at 132 and I got an exit at 150 level. Now some I have this 450 quantity I have. Yeah, if it is giving a good dip, it will be like it can go and make another low. Let's see 20 MA. Because after this is the first time they are coming to 20 MA. Especially Bank Nifty have given that good rejection. So Bank Nifty have came to 20. Nifty is yet to come. I have taken this one at 132. Half I booked at 145. Yeah, those who have joined this week, your one-to-one session will be slightly delayed. Maybe we take one more week, some are pending. So I'll reduce some here at 155. Wow, 160. That's a good move, right? So we got that perfect rejection at 20. I think the system is getting slow. Yeah, all I was looking for now after this, if we get a breakout on the upside, they may again move to like Nifty try to make move to 20. It's not a big deal. Right now, it is staying at where 24,000. So we are looking for 24,000 plus 100 minus 100. That is a range till 2 o'clock. If you remember 2:30, that is a range. And then everyone will be comfortable. Even those who did it yesterday, even those who got trapped in the breakout also, this gap up also, they will be comfortable with this sideways range. And, now they are pushing it down to this level. Adjustments, it will come down definitely. So this is looking good now. 16. Yeah, it should have been 160. Candle is good, but the price is not moving. Cost will be the stop loss for rest of the quantity. Yeah, after that, I got a couple of trades. That's why there is nothing more. This is what I have. And that is the risk that we'll take now. This, let's see, it's a good rejection. So, but still, this is a support area. Cost will be the stop loss for this. Entries 132, 145, 154, 160. Crude is also spiking. So after 2 o'clock, I would say avoid the selling position, close it. As long as, see, right now it is a best level, right? Where is it? 24,000. That move, that is why I told you, you can have the 24,100 straddle also. 24,100 straddle is slightly, a good one which you could have taken. So the put premium was higher. Okay. Yeah. Still holding just 240 only. Exited majority. Now we'll keep trailing stop loss as the cost itself. Well, that is 132. Maybe 135 you can keep so that you won't lose anything. But if they break once again, you know, what is yesterday's low? Yeah, if the slow is breaking, then Bank Nifty is opening a window for a 400 point, not Nifty. 160. I'll reduce some here at 163. We'll keep this 120. Wow, look at that. 170. European market is also negative. DAX is minus 180. We'll reduce some more at 174. Beautiful trade, right? So yeah, right at 130, we have taken this entry. 145, 154, 162. Once everywhere we are getting 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. Now it's almost 40 points. Now I have this 60. Yeah, they're breaking. Already broken once. So not that reliable. Second time. That is also afternoon session. Nifty took support at day slow, this level. Now if Nifty break, 24,900 is the next level. 200 EMA or 24,900. Even then we are okay. If it is happening, suddenly, then only there will be some issue. Otherwise, you'll get all the time to do the adjustments. Yeah, looking for some buying opportunity today because Bank Nifty expiry. So we may get some good momentum. That is why we look for more buying opportunity today. It's very close to 55,000. In case if they're breaking, it will be like strong. It's already 500 point dip. So if 55,000, if it is breaking, then a window is open for this low, another 400 point. But probably they'll hold that level. 55,000 they'll hold. They try to break here, they hold. So yeah, still I have this 60. Nothing to lose in this. Sudha, the reason for the entry, I hope you have joined later. Reason for entry is very simple. You look at this dip, it's a very good dip which you got, almost 500 points. And after that first time it gave retracement to 20 MA. So that is where we took that entry. So we have exited this in different levels. From 132, we went till 172. Now we'll keep something like 145 as a stop loss. 60 quantity. Not adding anymore now. Because this level is also very important, no? This is previous day, this swing high. After that only you got the breakout. So naturally that should act as a very important support zone. I don't think, Varun, so it will be like 23,900. I'm comfortable. If it is about 23,900, it is comfortable. That's the plan also in the morning, if you remember. 24,100 also, I'm comfortable. Only then we need to do some kind of adjustment. Otherwise, it's comfortable zone only. If you look at the combined premium. I've read the news that there is some attack which happened in Iran, and Iran is also retaliating to Iran, the Arabian countries. I don't know whether it is true or whether it is an old one which is again circulating, but some kind of attack on Iran is just I've seen. And DAX is also 180 point down. Yeah, so don't try any support trade now. We don't want to, in case if they break and give a indication above 20 EMA that they're going to make a move on the upside, then we can try. Looking at the way they are coming down and looking at this negative, and crude oil is also spiking. So probably if there is a big move, it will be on the downside. Or it will keep that expiry move on the sideways, and we will be comfortable with 24,100 to 23,900 range till 2 o'clock. After that, square off your position and then just get out of it. 180 now. We'll reduce some at 183. One 183 means we achieved 50 points in that. See, 132, 183. From 130, it's just a matter of 14 minutes. 190. Guys, my system is slightly getting slow. I'll open another window. Just 1 minute. It came to 167, right? Look at that reversal. And Nifty reversed sharp. Nifty also. Bank Nifty also. Where is our yeah, that thing, this is getting slow. The system, it's at 167. So what I'll do is I'll place a trailing stop loss at 145. So this is the trade, guys. 132, I've entered. I reduce some at 145. Next 10 point, next 10 point, next 10 point, next 10 point. Went to 193 also. But now I'm keeping 145. That is slightly above this entry price as my stop loss. That's the trailing stop loss. Yeah, guys, those who joined this week and last week, this week, those who joined, next week, we will be getting a one-to-one session. Last week, we'll try to arrange this week itself. There are some more pending from the, previous people, because I got stuck in this UPSC prelims was going on. So I got stuck with a lot of work. That's why. So this 2 weeks, we'll try to manage that. Okay. Let's see if we get very good opportunities in buying today. Anyway, selling position, there is nothing much to do as of now. It is 24 100, 23 900. It's still in the range. Those who sold 24,000 straddle also looking good. 23 900 straddle is also fine. Even 24 100 straddle is also fine. Yeah, 100 is slightly in trouble because you got lesser. But when you got moved till this level, that is when you did it, right? I think I told by mistake. At this level, you could have sold in the money call. I'm out, Sanjay, completely. We have this last one trade. This trade I have taken, I'm just holding that. No fresh entries after that. Because if I need to get an entry, I need to get a better entry. I don't think that I can get a better one than this. So that's the beautiful entry we got at 20 EMA. It's a 20 EMA trade. And now we are just holding whatever, we have this 130. This trade also did very well. Covered that morning, this call strike that we bought and couple of stop losses have taken. That is also covered. If I 200. That's back to 180. See, this 55 200 is back to 180. Nifty is coming to 200 EMA. So I think Bank Nifty as of now is holding. Bank Nifty also may follow. In that case, we may get something like, yeah, if this kind of move, if you get in Bank Nifty, it will be very good. See, 191. 200. Exited at 200. 199 we got. Perfect. So that's the trade. So we entered at 130, almost 22 minutes in the trade. From 130 to 199 we got. Yeah, you'll be selling more call in that case, right? When you are here, if you have taken a straddle at 24,000, once it comes to 24,100, you will sell one extra call. And once it comes to 23,900, but it should be before like 130. Now, if it is coming to 900, means you're not going to sell or anything. We'll see what is happening there. Otherwise, 23,900 will sell one extra put if it is happening at around 1, 11, 12, so that you get a bounce and adjustment and then the premium will come down. But now it can be a sharp move also. So we don't sell and we don't have much premium also left. So it's better to avoid in that case. Whatever call is melting, that will act as a hedge for your put. So yeah, it is done. The trade is over. Beautiful one from 20 EMA. Sorry, this one from 20 EMA. We got till this. Day's low is what I was looking for. It came to day's low. Now it's bouncing. Back to 180. So we got a right exit.